So the other day we had put the wall waters in, as you see earlier in the video here. This morning it got very cold. I mean, it was 25 degrees here. So I came outside. These were solid ice. So I put my hand inside to feel, and it was actually warmer. I mean, I could actually feel a decent temperature. So they say when ice freezes, it gives off heat to a certain point. I guess it was. So anyways, look at the temperatures coming ahead. We're talking maybe a few 30s at night, but not the super cold stuff. So it's time to put these in. They're called 4th of July's, and they should be right by 4th of July. In America, I know people across the country don't have 4th of July's across the world, but for us, usually by the 4th of July I get tomatoes. So we're gonna go ahead and plant these. Really simple. I'm gonna take a little cutter, and we're going to cut the plastic, which has been put down ahead of time to help warm the soil up. And I'm just going to cut a little square in here. I don't know if you can see down there or not. There we go. And get my shovel, trusty little shovel over here. And we're going to, once again, you always want to plant the tomatoes deeper than what they're going. So we'll just kind of push it so underneath, so we can get the root system up underneath the plastic, down nice and deep. And one of these better looking guys here. There we go. Okay, just gonna basically, somebody like to cut these little lower branches off here. There we go. And we'll plant it right up to these leaves right here. And you don't go too deep with the root system. You want to keep it shallow so it gets some nice heat coming out of the, out of the ground there. Okay. And we'll give it a nice little drink of fish emulsion. You do have to kind of keep an idea as far as the warmth in there. So if it gets really cold at night, I just come out and do this and close them up. And because if we're gonna get really super cold, like down to 20 degrees, I throw a little blanket over top of it, like this here, and that will definitely keep it protected. But so there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and continue planting the rest of these here, and something worth looking at, investing in, especially for those wanting me to get a jump start on the season. So there you go, that's how easy it is, and looking forward to get more things in the ground as we move along here. We'll be sharing more things as the season starts unfolding here, and I'm going to continue finishing these guys up here, and hope you have a good rest of your day, and thank you for viewing our channel and for subscribing, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos coming out. We got a lot more coming at you, and looking forward to, we got a recipe coming. So we got a great recipe coming. It's going to be rhubarb. It's already started. And looking forward to sharing that with you shortly. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.